To get a view of the animals yet to be drafted, you need to take a look at the animals to be drafted list. Click Menu, Reports, Animals to be drafted. This screen shows all the animals that are yet to go through the draft gate in this session. We have 3 yet to go left, 527 to go centre, and 2 to go right. As animals pass through, a number will be removed from this total. If you just want to see the animals going right, just click this box. All the other animals disappear and show just the animals yet to go right, with a description of the draft.